goodness. Oh, now there is.
Oh, I turned late.
Good. Okay, you won. Let me suck dick.
Oh shit, tụi cô có dòng nó một skill rồi.
Right.
Dude, I think we were in your backyard be the same thing.
I think your backyard's more moist.
Yeah, probably. You have a swamp back?
They're just playing.
No, I know.
It's no fighting.
Come on, fight.
No.
They want to suck that dick, huh?
How to play? Man, comparing a bullet to a pit bull, dude, look, this is just funny, dude.
Dude, you're just laughing, dude.
I'm just laughing because my first time I see a fucking bully compared to a pit bull, dude. Funny too.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Hey, yeah, stop. They're just playing.
Some gangster.
Here, bring that guy over. I want to see that guy.
He bites though.
Oh, that?
Yeah, he fights him.
Does he bite a lot?
Bites your hand.
Oh,
Here,
shit.
give me a scar.
Oh, that?
Whoa, whoa!
Oh, guys.
Whoa, whoa! Wow, they just had to stop when I'm done. Whoa!
Hey,
Oh shit! Oh, boo!
that's
Go
too
to
cool. Cái con bully, cái con bully có nhỏ luôn à.
Oh shit!
Look at that.
Look at the fall there.
He can't get up. Why did you draw, huh? Oh, hey, stop. Hey. Come here. Good.
How's it done, dude?
He's aggressive, dude.
Look at that! I got to fight too! I got to fight too! Dude, with all his time I'm charging, dude.
I know.
I think it's good starting it.
Well, your dog charged mine earlier.
Oh, bro.
I know, I got the video, let's see it.
Me too.
Hey.
I kind of feel like the cream might, but who knows? Let's look at it.
Ooh,
yeah, I did. Come on.
Be good. Mufasa, be good.
Oh, shit.
Damn. Here's mine.
Damn, dude. Fica chave, Mufasa, te gasta, I bully, yeah.
I'm getting bit pretty bad. I know, me too.
Showed on. Like, damn.
Anh đừng muốn chuyện cái anh đừng đi tôi à. Oh, he went to melt huh?
Yeah. Oh shit, I'm getting bit pretty hard.
You guys want to go back?
No.
Oh.
Be good. Oh, he's pissing, dude. Don't. Oh my god, this is too good of a cut.
What the fuck?
Oh, damn. He's like, lick my piss, bitch.